it's the first film for me where we've started showing it almost a week prior to the release. And I think that says a lot about the film itself. So yeah, I think it's been extremely overwhelming. It's been an emotional journey. And we're all really excited and looking forward to the release tomorrow. I like to keep everything minimal. That's the way my style has always been. So usually I'm not someone who likes to wear too much of everything. But I usually tend to wear a lot of earrings. I'm more a earring person. Being a South Indian, I know that it is an important asset. But I think at a personal level, it's more a material thing. I think my needs are more emotional than material at this point. For example, I'd rather be with my family. You know, for me, that is something, spend quality time with my parents, spend an amazing weekend with my sister. For me, that is an investment. Because of the kind of lifestyle that I lead, the fact that when I was 18 or 20, I moved to Mumbai and I live away from them. So these are the things that I value more than the actual tangible thing. Well, it's Piku's world. First of all, Piku is a pet name, is a Bengali, very, very common pet name. And I didn't know this until very recently. It's used for girls and for boys. And I think that actually says a lot for my character in the film, because she is the boy and girl of the house in a sense. She's, of course she's a daughter, but she's very, very, what do I say? She runs the house. She has to take care of her father. She goes to work in the daytime. She's an architect by profession. So I think the name itself says a lot. And why is it Piku? Because it's Piku's world. It follows her life, her journey, how she tries to multitask, and the various aspects of her life. That's why it's called Piku. I think Rohit's greatest strength and quality, that other than of course his professional and the movies that he makes, I think that is there for all to see, I think is his humility. He's an extremely simple person, extremely warm and very, very humble. And that's what I remember from that experience.